It probably wouldn't even care. Look at it. Oh, it's looking at us. Don't open the door. Don't. Don't, you'll scare it up.
Nuh-uh. You ready? Whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3. It doesn't even care. Look at this thing. I probably shouldn't have put that out there.
It's probably not gonna leave.
Watch it.
I don't want to get bit.
I know, I'm afraid it'll like jump at us. I don't think it bites or.
I don't know.
Look at that. Look at its feet.
Looks pretty cuddly. Go cuddle with it. What is it?
Wait, where's your face? What do you think, Tommy? You scared me. I was like, oh, there it goes. See, I told you. Quit.
Didn't even do. It's like really tense.
All right, now be quiet and watch. I'll just come right back.
I dare you to open the door, take a picture, see how brave you are.
We're going in on the wild animal. Here, Costa Rica. Oh, look, it's like. It don't care.